Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. So today we are starting English language course next segment, that is tenses. This is very important. Dear learners, the tenses mean there are basically three tenses. We say when we discuss something in past, so we say past tense. When we discuss something in present, so we say present tense. And when we discuss something in future, so we say it future tense. So there are three tenses, but as we have already discussed in parts of speech, that there are two types of verbs. One is called action verbs and the other is called being verb. So you can say being verbs are, we will start from the being verbs, that where are they used. So today our topic is it and there. These are called introductory words, it and there. Their use is very important in English language. So use of it and there. So when we want to tell someone time, uh, when we want to tell something about weather, so we use the sentence with it. So let's have a look. I have written some sentences on the board for your ease. Then furthermore we can discuss, and with the help of these sentences and with the help of these tenses, we will also discuss the parts of speech. Then in actually you can understand that what are parts of speech. Theoretically we have learned, but practically now you would start learning what are parts of speech through tenses. So let's have a look. Today our topic is use of introductory words it and there. Yes. So first sentence is आज सख्त गर्मी है. आज सख्त गर्मी है. It is very hot today. Is, look at that. I'll focus and emphasis on the use of is and it. So we are starting our sentence, it is very hot today, because we are telling about weather. We are telling about weather. It is very hot today. Let's see the next sentence. शाम हो गई. Again it is for weather, or it is for time we are telling. शाम हो गई. It is evening now. So we will convert this sentence in English in it is evening now. Let's see the next sentence. मेज पर किताब नहीं है. मेज पर किताब नहीं है. Look at that. When we want to tell something, the presence of something somewhere, जब हम किसी चीज की मौजूदगी किसी जगह पर बताते हैं, so we use there. So it's very important. This is called introductory word, and the second name of this word is subject filler. इसको subject filler भी कहते हैं. There को introductory word और सब्जेक्ट फिलर भी कहते हैं. सो आज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड इट एंड देयर. मेज पर कोई किताब नहीं. देयर इज नो बुक ऑन द टेबल. सो वी विल स्टार्ट अवर सेंटेंस, देयर इज नो बुक ऑन द टेबल. अगरचे इंग्लिश में देयर का मतलब वहां होता है, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस वी आर टेलिंग मेज पर कोई किताब नहीं, यानी कोई चीज किताब मेज पर नहीं. सो वी विल स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश विद देयर. देयर इज नो बुक ऑन द टेबल. यस, देयर इज नो बुक ऑन द टेबल. लेट्स मूव अहेड. क्या इस तालाब में मछलियां नहीं. सो दिस इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. there will be a four kinds of sentences. affirmative मुस्बत जुमले, नेगेटिव मनफी जुमले, interrogative सवालिया जुमले, and sometimes negative interrogative. So there will be four kinds of sentences. affirmative मुस्बत जुमले, negative मनफी जुमले, interrogative सवालिया जुमले, and sometimes negative interrogative sentences. So these are the four types of sentences that we will be फिशिंग. सो तालाब में, क्या इस तालाब में मछलियां नहीं हैं? सो बिकॉज द सेंटेंस इज इन इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म, आर देयर नो फिश, क्योंकि मछलियों की जमा भी मछलियां होती हैं. आर देयर नो फिश इन दिस पॉन्ड, आर दे, लेकिन अगर मछलियां मुख्तलिफ किस्म की हों तो हम फिशेज भी यूज कर सकते हैं. आर देयर नो फिशेज इन दिस पॉन्ड. लुक एट दैट, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद आर. व्हाई? बिकॉज द सेंटेंस इज इंट्रोगेटिव. आर देयर नो फिश इन दिस पॉन्ड? आर देयर नो फिश इन दिस पॉन्ड? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, पानी में बहुत से मेंढक थे. पानी में बहुत से मेंढक थे. There were many frogs in the water. Look at that. There were. So we are starting our sentence with the word there because it is an introductory word. It is called subject filler. पानी में मेंढक कहां पर थे? पानी में. There were many frogs in the water. There were many frogs in the water. So the pronunciation of word water, we will say it water, not water. The word is water. So there were many frogs in the water. The next sentence is, प्लेटफॉर्म पर कोई मुसाफिर ना था. प्लेटफॉर्म पर कोई मुसाफिर ना था. There was no passenger at the platform. There was no passenger at the platform. So we have started our sentence with the word there because this is an introductory word. ये बताता है कि कोई चीज़, यानी कि मुसाफिर कहाँ पर थे या ना थे? प्लेटफॉर्म पर. So that's why we are using there in the start. There was no passenger at the platform. Clear? There was no passenger at the platform. खेत में कितने मवेशी थे? The next sentence we are discussing. खेत में कितने मवेशी थे? How many? कितने? How many? How many cattle were there? How many cattle were there in the field? How many cattle were there in the field? How many cattle? कितने मवेशी? How many cattle were there in the field? Since the sentence is interrogative, so we will use there. We will use verb in the start. How many cattle were there in the field? Yes, let's move towards the next sentence. टोकरी में कुछ सेब हैं. टोकरी में कुछ सेब हैं. सेब कहाँ पर हैं? टोकरी में. इसलिए हम जुमले का स्टार्ट देर से करेंगे. There are some apples in the basket. There are some apples in the basket. So today we learned about use of two introductory words, it and there. These are also called subject filler. So hopefully you have understood the topic. Along with it, I would also try to discuss the part of grammar with it and some other things if that come in the way. So now we are, as we have previously discussed parts of speech, now we will see that the written words, which parts of speech do the written words belong to. There, there is, pronoun that is called, descriptive pronoun. And are, this is verb. No, adjective. Fish, noun. In, preposition. this, you know, this is also descriptive pronoun, and pond, this is noun. There were many frogs in the water. There, this is descriptive pronoun. Were, 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 many, adjective, frogs, noun, in, preposition, the, article, this is article, water, noun, again, there, this is descriptive pronoun, was, this is verb, no, adjective, passenger, noun, at, preposition, the, article. You know, the article is also the part of adjective. You, a, an, and the. Definite article, there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. So the is definite article, but it is part of speech. This belongs to parts of speech. So the is article and water is noun. There, this is descriptive pronoun, was, verb, no, adjective, passenger, noun, at, preposition, the, article, platform, noun, because it's a name of something. How many? You know, this is interrogative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, cattle, noun, verb, in, preposition, the, article, field, noun, there, descriptive pronoun, are, verb, some, adjective, people, apples, noun, in, preposition, the, article, and basket, this is noun. So you see, with this tenses we have also discussed parts of speech. If you will keep on observing that which word belongs to which parts of speech, so you can easily understand. So I hope with this topic of tenses you will get more clarity on parts of speech. So thank you very much. Before I sign off, I would like to say you can subscribe this channel and you can click on the bell icon. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you know. Allah Hafiz.